Let me pose a question, guys. Do you want a portfolio with 1,000% return and a 0% drawdown, or 1,000% return and 100% drawdown? No one's going to want the 100% drawdown, and that's exactly what we're discussing in this video. It's all risk-adjusted return metrics. Hi, I'm Matthew Glinsman, and we're discussing risk-adjusted return metrics. A risk-adjusted return metric is a value which helps you assess the performance of a portfolio versus another, and also a strategy versus another. Typically, you want to maximize this value, and it's comprised of a total return in the numerator and divided by some sort of drawdown metric in the denominator. So at number 4, we have ROMAD. That is return over maximum drawdown, or total return divided by maximum drawdown. This is the one that we had referenced in the beginning of the video. You would use this only to assess a portfolio against another. Never use this for your strategy. The reason why you wouldn't use this to optimize your strategies is because if you had a portfolio of strategies which were ROMAD optimized, you would more than likely have high average drawdowns from each of those strategies, and that could cause lots of portfolio volatility. Reasons for using this in your portfolios are that prop firms want you to have a maximum drawdown limit, and also hedge funds are using this to serve their accredited investors. At number 3, we have Sharpe ratio. This is calculated as total return divided by standard deviation of returns. This is mostly a portfolio metric, but it can be used for your strategies as well. Large funds and private investors are using Sharpe ratio. At number 2, we have Sortino ratio, which is the total return divided by the standard deviation of drawdowns. You can use this for strategies and portfolios as well. Again, it's popular with everyone. I will say though, with Sortino ratio and Sharpe ratio, since they both have a standard deviation of the risk metric in the denominator of the equation, that you could actually have skewed results against portfolios with low risks. All standard deviation is measuring the wiggling around the average drawdown. So if you have a low standard deviation, you could also have a high average drawdown and score really well with these two metrics, and that is bad. You don't want to select a strategy or a portfolio with high average drawdowns. That will add lots of portfolio volatility. At number 1, we have return over average drawdown. This one is best for selecting your strategies against each other. This is calculated by total return divided by average drawdown. The reason why you'd want to select your strategies using this metric is because, again, you want to have very good strategies that worked well together in a portfolio. With low average drawdowns, you're more than likely going to find strategies which hedge against each other well and cause even less compounding risk inside of your portfolio when you're trading them at the same time. Comment which one was best for you. Like this video and subscribe.